Hello guys and welcome back into a brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here, we are going just to simply follow this Etsy Help Center article. And here you can see or find how you can cancel an order on Etsy. So basically, you will only be able to cancel your order depending on the shop policies. That means if the shop is enabling a cancellation, you will be able to cancel your order. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. And how to find out is to simply go to the listing or to your order or purchase. So let's go to a variety of products or for listing here. And basically, if we search here on the details or uh, uh, on the products page, we'd find like shipping and return policies. So as you can see, for example, for this product, returns are accepted or cancellation are also accepted or not. And basically you will find like shipping and return policies, and also you would find like cancellation that will be accepted anytime or not. They will be return accepted, and for example here return and exchanges are accepted, etc, etc. And there are ones that you'd find also that cancellation are also accepted whenever you would like. And as you can see here, we can also see that returns and exchanges are not accepted for this one. So simply when you make sure that the policies are of cancellation are accepted, you can simply just talk with the buyer, with the seller, and he is the one responsible for canceling your order. So simply you will need to go to down and then click on a message the seller, and from there you will be able to tell them that you want to cancel your order. Otherwise, you can simply find it here on your purchase and the reviews, and then you can contact the seller. And then you will need just to continue contacting the seller until he cancel your order. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.